This project began as a collaboration between an artist and architectural historian who commissioned us to build a new residence on their compact lot in central Austin. The front entrance opens onto the alley, and its scale and concrete masonry unit, CMU, walls were designed to blend seamlessly into the rugged backdrop of an increasingly urbanized city. The house was constructed with double-width, CMU, exterior walls and an internal steel and Douglas fir frame. All essential systems, including plumbing, mechanical, and electrical components, were deliberately left exposed, ensuring convenient maintenance and access for future modifications. The home's living space primarily serves as a library, with a striking two-story bookshelf housing an extensive collection of art and architectural books. The main section features an open living space and kitchen on the first floor, accompanied by a lofted primary suite above. The small utility wing accommodates storage, laundry, and a second bathroom. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.